Hi, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Our Shelter, chapter number 13. Children, please get ready with the worksheet page number 69 and 70. So this is our lesson, Our Shelter. Houses are the place where we live with our family. You can see a picture of a family in front of their house. You see the picture? Yes. We all feel safe in our houses, isn't it, children? Do you know why? Yes, tell me. Yes, because our house protects us from rain, heat and cold. So we all feel safe in our houses. Yes? So here you can see our houses protect us from rain, heat and cold. So we all are safe in our houses. Yes? Okay. Children, do you know long years ago people used to live in caves. Slowly, they started to learn to build houses. Here you can see the picture. See? In olden days, long years ago, they used to live in caves. Later, what happened? Later, they started to learn to build houses. So, they moved to house. Yes? Understood? Now, in this lesson, we are going to study different kinds of houses. Mainly 6 types of houses we are going to study in this lesson. The first one, see our heading, types of houses. First, we are going to study about Pakka houses. The first one, Pakka houses. Here you can see the picture of a Pakka house. You see? Yes. The second one, we are going to study Kacha houses. See? Kacha houses. Here you can see the picture of a Kacha house. Yes? The third one, houseboat. Here you can see the picture of a houseboat. The fourth one, caravan. Here the picture of a caravan. The fifth one, tent. Here the picture of a tent. And the last one, we are going to study about igloo. Here you can see the picture of an igloo. So now let's start with Pakka houses. Okay? Pakka houses. Pakka houses are mainly seen in towns and cities. These houses are made up of bricks, iron, cement and wood. See? Bricks, iron, cement and wood. So these type of houses you can see mainly in cities and towns. These houses are made up of bricks, iron, cement and wood. You can see 2 examples of Pakka houses. One is bungalow and flat. You can see the picture of a bungalow here. You see the picture? Yes. And you can see the picture of a flat here. So these are the 2 examples of Pakka house. Next, moving to our next type of house, Kacha house. Kacha houses are mainly seen in villages. Kacha houses are made up of mud and straw. Kacha houses are made up of mud and straw, and you can see this type of houses mainly in villages. Here is an example for Kacha house. You can see a picture of a hut. So this is an example for Kacha house. Next, we are going to study about houseboat. I think almost everyone have entered to a houseboat, or at least you have seen a houseboat, yes? Yes. Houseboat is a floating house that is built on a boat. It is a boat with rooms. Do you know why houseboat is called as floating house? No, because it is floating on the water. So, houseboat is a floating house that is built on a boat, and it is a boat with rooms. You can see a picture of a houseboat, and you can see I have given a picture of rooms inside a boat. You see, you can see a room inside a boat, and you can see a small part of a boat. Next, we are going to study about caravan. A caravan is a moving house that has wheels. It can be moved from one place to another. So this is a picture of a caravan. So caravan is what? Caravan is a moving house that has wheels, and it can move from one place to another. So this is the picture of a caravan. You see the picture? Okay. Now moving to our next house, tent. Tent is made of thick cloth. It can be easily put up, folded, and carried along with us. I think some of the children have made tent at home with your mother's dupatta or shawl. With your mother's dupatta and sari, you have made a tent, isn't it? Yes. So a tent is made of thick cloth, and it can be easily folded and carried along with us. Tents are used by the people when they are camping in open places. Next one. The last type of houses is an igloo. Igloos are made of ice and snow. It is found in very cold places. Eskimos live in these shelters. So igloo you can find in the places which is covered by snow throughout the year, and the igloos are made up of blocks of ice and snow. And who lives in igloo? Yes, Eskimos live in igloo. So here we come to an end of our lesson. So once again I will explain from the first the different types of houses. We studied 6 types of houses. First one is Pakka house, second one Kacha house, third one houseboat, fourth one caravan, fifth one tent, and the sixth one is igloo. The first we learned about Pakka houses. Pakka houses are mainly seen in towns and cities. These houses are made up of iron, cement, wood, and bricks. Examples for Pakka houses are flats and bungalows. Next, we learned about Kacha houses. Kacha houses are mainly seen in villages. These houses are made up of mud and straw. Example for Kacha houses is hut. The third we learnt about, yes, houseboat. Houseboat is a floating house that is built on a boat. It is a boat with rooms. The next one we learnt about a caravan. A caravan is a moving house which has wheels. It can move from one place to another. The fifth one we learnt about tent. Tent is made up of thick cloth. It can be easily put up, folded and carry along with us. Tents are mainly used by the people who is camping in an open places. Last one we studied about igloo. Igloos are found in the places of igloos are found in places which is covered by the snow throughout the year. Igloos are made up of blocks of ice and snow. Eskimos live in these shelters. So, this is our lesson. Now take your worksheet in your hand. I'm going to read out. Just listen. Our shelter. Houses are the place where we live with our family. They provide us shelters. Our houses protect us from rain, heat and cold. We feel safe in our houses. There are many kinds of houses around us. Let us discuss about the different types of houses. The first one, Pakka houses. These are made up of bricks, iron, cement and wood. Bungalows, flats, etc. are the examples of Pakka houses. Second one, Kacha houses. These houses are made up of mud and straw. Hut is an example of Kacha house. Houseboat. Houseboat is a floating house that is built on a boat. It is a boat with rooms. Next, caravan. A caravan is a moving house that has wheels. It can be moved from one place to another. Next one, tent. It is made of thick cloth. It can be easily put up, folded and carried along. And the last one, igloo. It is made of ice and snow. It is found in very cold places. Eskimos live in these shelters. Last is given, what do you mean by an Eskimo? Eskimos are the people who live in polar region, which means, polar region means what? It is the place with very cold and windy and full covered with snow. So here we come to an end of our lesson. Hope it is clear for you. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.